there, Heather Boyd Wire here. Today I'm going to be making some super cute and trendy little chain rings. They're very easy to make with chain and beads. So for the first design you're going to need some round pliers, flat pliers, cutters, artistic wire. I'm using the 22 gauge and a piece of chain that's about 2 inches long. It'll depend on the size of your finger, and I'm using a flat bead. So I'm going to start by taking a couple inches of the wire, and I'm just going to do a little loop with the end. So we're just going to take that and do a little loop around, and then we're going to bend it back like that. So we've got our loop, and we're going to put one end of the chain on the loop. So it's a little tricky, but you want to get the end of the chain on the loop, and then you're going to just close up the loop like that, and then you're going to take your bead and put on the bead, and then you want to do the other side, but what you have to do is cut it to about 1/4 inch. You don't want it too long because you want the loop to be small, so we'll cut 1/4 inch there, and then get our pliers and do the same thing. So we want to bend it back a bit and then do a kind of a loop like that, but don't quite close the loop, because what we want to do is get the chain and bring it around and put it through the end of the loop like that, and then we're going to get our flat pliers and close it up. So that is super easy to do. So for the second ring with the infinity sign, I'm going to actually use, it's an extender chain that I had. I just cut off the little end of it. So it's also like 1.5 inches to 2 inches long, depending on your finger. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use, this is actually sterling silver wire. I had the original one I tried with stainless steel wire, and it's okay, but it's a little bit a dull color. So what you want to do is take your round pliers and your sterling silver wire, and you're going to just bend the end like that. Okay, so that's the beginning of your infinity sign, and then this other end bend in the opposite way like that, and then at that point you can just adjust it so it looks like it's sort of like a continuous line there. And then you want to get your cutters and just clip the end, but you want to clip it in a way that it's really just flush there. So we're going to cut off one end, cut one end there, and then we're going to flip it and we'll cut the other end. And you want to just cut it right through, cut it flush. So before you flatten that down, you're going to take your chain and stick it on one edge, and then just flatten it so the loop is closed. Flip it over, take the other end of your chain and stick it in, and then just flatten it like that, so it looks like you have an infinity sign, and it's one continuous, looks like one continuous line. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more DIY videos. Hit that notification buttons to be notified when I go live and when I put up new videos. And if you have any suggestions for jewelry or wire art videos, put them in the comments below. And if you make any of my DIY projects, be sure to share on Instagram and tag me at Heather Boyd Wire, or email at info@heatherboydwire.com. See you the next time.